Hey, health enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the incredible world of Astragalus, a powerful herb that's been a staple in Chinese medicine for centuries. So, why is this root getting so much hype? First up, immune system support. Astragalus is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body resist stress and boost your immune function. Imagine supercharging your white blood cells to fend off infections. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's talk anti-inflammatory properties. Packed with saponins, flavonoids, and polysaccharides, Astragalus can help manage arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. So if you're battling inflammation, this herb might be your new best friend. Now on to antioxidant effects. Astragalus neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and cellular damage. This not only slows down aging, but also lowers the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Heart health fans, listen up. Astragalus may reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, protecting your heart from oxidative stress. It's a win-win for your ticker. For those dealing with chronic illnesses like diabetes and kidney disease, Astragalus can boost kidney function and improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, it has amazing anti-aging benefits by protecting telomeres, keeping you youthful longer. Respiratory health? Check. Astragalus boosts lung health, reducing symptoms of asthma and allergies. And it's even shown promise in enhancing chemotherapy effectiveness while reducing side effects. A true multitasker. Feeling tired? Astragalus helps combat fatigue and boosts energy levels. Perfect for those with chronic fatigue syndrome. It also promotes faster wound healing. Talk about a powerhouse. So how do you use it? Try it as a tea, capsule, tincture, or even add it to soups. Remember, while it's generally safe, always consult your healthcare provider if you have autoimmune disorders or are pregnant. Ready to incorporate Astragalus into your routine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.